We went to Mexico. Okay, we went to Epcot. Same thing, right? That's right. We went to the Mexico Pavilion and the World Showcase for a meal. Now, we could have gone to beautiful and bright La Hacienda de San Angel, but no, we went inside to the original. It's dark, very dark. I mean, you could just about make out the boats passing by in the Grand Fiesta Tour. Disney San Angel Inn takes its name from an inn in Mexico City that's been doing business since 1776. So they must be doing something right. Unfortunately, according to the reviews I've seen, Epcot's San Angel Inn hasn't been able to duplicate the namesake success. It's funny because we really enjoyed our food. I've been comparing steak to steak as I travel around Walt Disney World, and believe it or not, San Angel Inn currently holds second place, and that's ahead of Le Cellier. But as so often happens when I find something I really like on a menu, they no longer have that New York strip steak. Now, I'd show you the menu, but like I said, it was dark. Gene had the mole poblano, which is a grilled chicken breast with a classic mole sauce, but those pictures didn't even come out. Like I said, it was dark. But before you even start your meal, they bring you out warm tortilla chips with both nacho cheese and salsa verde. You really could make a meal of the chips and nacho cheese, so pace yourself. Of course, we had to move the table lantern over so you'd be able to see. Like I said, it's dark. Our San Angel Inn opened in 1982, but I think the reason it stayed so long is because, well, just because. Draw your own conclusions. It's a shame that you can't really see because the atmosphere would be great. It resembles a beautiful outdoor cantina overlooking a river that passes by an ancient temple. But again, you really can't see that. The rest of the interior of the Mexico Pavilion is like a street fair, and if they just turn up the lights, the San Angel Inn could be part of the fiesta. If San Angel Inn is supposed to put us into the visiting Mexico mode, well, the only message I really get is bring a flashlight. Well, I guess it's time for the actual review. First, the atmosphere. I really feel that the Mexico Pavilion is one of the most immersive lands of Epcot, and I really do love the Grand Fiesta Tour with Donald and the Amigos. But as far as the restaurant goes, did I mention it's dark? If it wasn't for that, San Angel Inn would score 4 Dia de los Muertos masks instead of just 1. I mean, now, as far as the food goes, well, they would have gotten 4 masks if they hadn't taken away the steak from the menu. And for gosh sakes, you have to try the caramel ice cream for dessert. But now we come to the lowest score I've actually ever given, a 0 for accessibility. And I guess the best way to explain it is by showing something that I put together for our Facebook group, Disney with Disabilities. And if any one of my heroes at the Reedy Creek Fire Prevention Office is watching, please pay attention. Mine turns a lot better than that. This one is tiny. That's good. Locked in. There we go. That's a little better. Probably not a good idea for a fire door though. That makes sense to me. Okay, and because of all that, I'm only gonna rate it a 2 for the value. It could be much better than it is, and other reviewers have said that the food's not all that great. Now, I enjoyed mine, but with the atmosphere the way it is, overall value, it's not worth it. Emmy's not really good at hiding when she's done something wrong, but she sure knows how to make up for it. And she'll be sure to check your likes and comments when she gets done. I hope you enjoyed this video and you give it a big thumbs up. That way YouTube knows that I'm not just messing around here on this channel. And if you do like the video, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to the channel? Well, you know, all you gotta do is push the button. It's free. But just because you push the button doesn't mean you're going to be notified. If you want to make sure you find out about the video, don't forget to press that bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and just as a little upfront notice, there won't be any video on November 14th. We'll be at sea on the Disney Dream, and I'll let you know how that went when we get back. And for those of you who've chosen to support us on Patreon, I'm not paying for this cruise with Patreon money or any of my own money. My son and daughter-in-law are giving the cruise to my wife and I for our 40th anniversary. And birthdays and Christmas, I guess, too. So, make sure you watch the video on the Disney Dream when we get back. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.